Good morning, everyone. My name is Miraflor Burial Gamayot, and today I would like to present to you about the storytelling, the golden fruit of success. The characters are Martha. Martha is a loving mother, hardworking farmer, and dedicated online student. Next is her family, and it is her inspiration. Let's start. Once upon a time, in a place where banana trees swayed gently in the wind, there's a woman lived named Martha. Every morning before the sun rose, Martha was already awake. She walked through the plantation, carefully harvesting the golden bananas. She worked hard in manufacturing, preparing the fruits for market, ensuring every single one was perfect. But that was not all. When the work in the field was done, she went home, washed her hands, and opened her laptop. Marta was also an online student, chasing her dreams of finishing her degree. Life was beautiful, but it was not easy. Martha soon faced a huge challenge. The days seemed too short, the work in the plantation was tiring, and the heat drained her energy. Sometimes her body ached so much that all she wanted to do was sleep. But her assignments were waiting, and her online classes were about to start. There were moments she felt like giving up. She asked herself, can I really be a good mother, a good worker, and a good student all the same time? The weight of responsibility felt very heavy. But Martha was not the type to quit. She remembered why she was doing this. She realized that her hands, which were strong enough to harvest bananas, were also strong enough to hold open and type on a keyboard. She learned to manage her time wisely. She turned her tiredness into motivation. Every banana she packed reminded her that she was building a better future. She attended her classes with focus and submitted her projects with pride. She showed everyone that you do not need to choose between working and learning. You can do both if you have the heart for it. The lesson of Martha's story would be this. Hard work and education grow together, just like the bananas in the field. Martha's story teaches us that there is no shame in hard work. It is never too late to learn. Sacrifices today become success tomorrow. She proved that being a student and a worker is not a burden, but a blessing that leads to a brighter tomorrow. That's all for today, and this is the end. Thank you so much for watching.